Hello everyone, this is Yolanda from CraftyScentiments.com and I'm back with another video. If you are brand new to my channel, then welcome. And if you've been here before, then welcome back. I have a card for you today. Oh, I'm just so excited about this particular card. And I'm really excited about the bundle that I'm going to be using today too, because it is just so super cute. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be using. So today I am using the Happiness Abounds stamp set at the bundle. Not so much the suite, because the suite comes with stamp dies, paper, and some embellishments, but I'm not using that. But what I am using is the Happiness Abounds stamp set. I'm going to be using a couple of sentiments from here. One is going to say happy birthday, and the other is, for the inside, says wishing you all the happiness you can imagine. I am going to be using the coordinating die set that's, what's what this one's called? Blossoming Happiness Dies. Let me set this aside for a second. And, oh my gosh, this die set, basically they're like little, they're like frames. They cut out, all of these cut out, not only the shapes from the stamp set, so you can stamp it and cut these particular shapes out, but they also cut out the shapes from the designer series paper. And I'm just going to show you one sheet today of what I was using. I'm using this particular paper, and you can cut around, but it cuts out all of these different flowers. It cuts out the leaves, and that is just awesome. So you don't have any waste on here. So you get two sheets of this color that has these 4 different colors, and then there's one that has like the dark blues or whatever, and I'll show you that at another time. But so today I've already did some cutting out, so it won't take a lot of time. I've cut out these colors right here, the Flirty Flamingo colors, to make my stamp set. So let's go ahead and get started. I am super happy because I love that particular die set. I'm also going to be using one of the masks from the Artistic Mix Decorative Masks. And this is brand new in the annual catalog. So the one from that set that I'm using is going to be this particular one. Hopefully you can kind of see it a little bit better. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll move some of these pieces out of the way. I have a Flirty Flamingo card base that's 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. I have a piece of basic black. If I can pick it up, I have 2 pieces of basic black. So the first one measures, what did I say? This one measures 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. This is going to be for the inside. And this particular one measures 3 5/8 and 4 7/8. I have 2 pieces of basic white. This one measures 5 1/4 by 4, and that's going to be for the inside. And this measures 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. So we're going to set these aside for a second. I don't need that just yet. And so I'm going to be doing some blending. I've got my blender brushes, and I'm going to secure this on the back just so it won't move. And I got some little tape here. I'm gonna tape it down so it doesn't move too much, like so. And I'm going to be using some Smoky Slate and my blending brush. Now this is not my design. I saw this online. I forgot who had it first. So anyway, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do some little shading in the middle and out. But I'm not gonna do the whole thing. I'm just gonna do just a little bit. Not too much. I'm going to go up and down. And that's it. I don't really want a lot of color on there. So I'm going to set that aside. peel it off, and there you go. See, there's not much at all. Take away the tape. And then I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to go ahead and glue this together on top of this, on top of the basic black. You know what? No, I'm not going to do that first. Well, yeah, I can go ahead and do that. I'm gonna live dangerous. So how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is well. Oh, that's a lot. That's a big glob over there. And I'm using, you can use either Tombow, your liquid mono adhesive, or you can use the Stampin' Seal, but I'm gonna do this because it gives me a little wiggle room. And I can adjust it as I see that it needs it. And that's pretty good, just like that. So I'm gonna set that aside. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and build my layers. So I am using some of the pieces that I cut out from the paper. So I got a big, large one. And like I said, they cut them all out, so I'm just so happy about that. So I am going to place this like so. And then under here like that. And I think I want that one up here. I know who was, I think it was Gina K that had a design like this. But I don't have any Gina K stamps. Because I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator and I have Stampin' Up stamps. So I like this configuration. So now I'm going to glue them down. Like I said, if you're sitting there and you have nothing to do, you can sit back and die cut a whole bunch of these particular shapes out of the paper. Or you can fussy cut them. They're not hard to do that way either. Like so, right there. Put a little piece down right here. And then I'm going to place this one. I'm going to place that up here. And I'm going to do this one. So I hope everyone is doing well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And leave me a comment below. I do truly love to hear from you all. Like that. And then I'm going to pop this one up on dimensionals. Once you get the pieces cut out, and like I said, they're not hard to cut out at all. This card goes by really quickly. And we're going to take the papers off. And we're going to layer it back. Oops, I don't want to stick it down, but it wants to stick. No. Like that. And then I'm going to stamp a sentiment at the very bottom. I'm using my Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I always stamp off the first time just because. And I'm going to place that down here. Beautiful. I love that font. And while I have the ink out, I'm going to stamp the inside sentiment as well. Okay. Wishing you all the happiness you can handle. Oh, you can imagine. I've changed the words to the sentiment. And now we can just put it together, and we are just about done, my friends. So I am going to glue this down. And again, I'm using the tumble because I'm going to be using like so. And I'm going to glue this down. I'm going to glue it on the inside. And then also on the inside, I have another little flower that I've cut out. That I'm just going to place right here, like that. And then I'm going to glue the front. Now see how quickly this has come together? So super cute. And I was going to put some rhinestone. Maybe no, I'm not going to do that. I want to keep it kind of simple. And I could put some, but I'm going to put some Wink of Stella on the front. And add sparkle that way. And I'm going to put it on this one. A little on the leaves. And then also on the inside one. And there you have it, my friends. And there you have it. Quick and easy. And I love how it came out. And I made one earlier. And I did the same thing, but I used Melon Mambo. But I use a little bit of a different sentiment down here. But I use Melon Mambo. I am in love with this. So I am actually going to be making some more of these cards in different colors and probably the same configuration, but different colors for sure. Because it goes by so quick and it's so pretty. Well, there you go, my friends. If you like what you see, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment. I really would like to hear from you. Just let me know if you like the card. Do you think you'll be making it? I, for sure, I'm going to be making some different ones in different colors and stuff like that. So, once again, this is Yolanda from CraftyScentiments.com. I'll be back real soon with another video. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.